All right, let's check out this new blaster, gel ball blaster from the brand RICEHUSK. RICEHUSK is a new brand that you're starting to see on Amazon. They have a couple different models of gel ball blasters. And today we're going to look at the AK74. They also have it listed as the AK47, so use either of those to find it. Again, the brand is RICEHUSK, spelled just like it sounds. So we're going to do a little unboxing video here, and then I'll do a couple other videos. So check back for a setup video and a demo video. All right, let's start with the power source, the battery here. 500 mAh, 3.7 volt battery, and then here's your little USB charger. Plug it into any AC adapter. Little red light here is going to be shining when it's charging, and then the red light will turn off when it's fully charged. Okay, we'll put that over to the side. We got some gel beads here. They give you 750 gel beads. Each gel bead pack is 250, okay? So you got some different gel beads to try out here. Your safety glasses. Remember, with gel ball blasters, the only way you're going to seriously hurt yourself is if you get shot in the eye. So wear some type of eye protection, okay? Got a little scope here, mainly for looks. There might be some slight magnification, it's hard to tell, but it's primarily for looks, so to be able to have some accessories for the top rail. Got your barrel, and then your barrel extension, muzzle slash silencer type. So we've got these right here both, and of course you'll see how those look when we do an assembly setup video. The stock for the back here, and you can see this is actually where the battery is going to go on, or go in, excuse me. Here's the magazine for the gel beads. Fill your gel beads in there, slide that down. And then of course the main part of the gun here. So we got a little switch here that's going to switch between your safety and automatic. This is obviously where the stock is going to slide on, and then this harness is going to go through the stock, and that's where your battery is going to go in. And of course, once you do that one time, you're not going to be taking it off and on unless you're traveling with it. All right, you can see where the magazine attaches, obviously. See the trigger. See, this is a little smaller kind of style. This isn't like a full size, just so you can be aware of that. Side rails for accessories, and then your top rail for accessories. All right. So that's pretty much what you get with the RICEHUSK AK74, also known as the AK47. So come on back and check out the video where we do a setup and put this all together and talk about getting the beads prepared properly and everything like that. So again, the RICEHUSK AK74, and check out their other RICEHUSK models too.